Have you ever wondered where your bank is really located? Not just the city, but the actual physical location of the bank itself? In a world of digital finance and online banking, it's a question that's becoming more and more common. We interact with our money through an app, on a screen, and the idea of a physical building can feel almost old-fashioned. But every bank, even the most modern digital-first ones, has a physical home. A place where the decisions are made, where the servers are humming, and where the company's story began. Today, we're diving into the heart of a bank that has made a name for itself in the digital space, Vivid Money. You've probably seen their app, heard about their cashback programs, or maybe you're a customer yourself. They're known for a sleek interface and a focus on empowering users to manage their finances in a new way. But with all of this digital innovation, the question remains, where is the nerve center of Vivid Bank? The answer is actually a journey across Europe. Vivid Money, the company behind the popular financial services, has its corporate headquarters in the vibrant and bustling city of Berlin, Germany. Berlin is a hub for startups and technology, so it makes perfect sense that a forward-thinking fintech company would choose to set up shop there. Their main office is a testament to their roots as a European tech company, built on innovation and a desire to shake up the traditional banking world. But that's not the whole story. The financial services offered by Vivid are provided by different legal entities, each with its own role and location. For example, Vivid Money SA, which operates as an electronic money institution, is based in Luxembourg. This is a common practice for financial companies operating across the European Union, as Luxembourg is a key financial center. It allows them to provide their services and be regulated under the supervision of the Financial Sector Supervisory Commission, CSSF. And it gets even more interesting. If you have an IBAN that starts with NL, you're serviced by the Vivid Money SA Netherlands branch. And for customers with IBANs that start with ES, you are looked after by the Vivid Money SA Succursal en Espa. This branching structure allows them to comply with local regulations and offer specific services tailored to different European markets. It's a complex and clever way to operate a unified digital platform across multiple countries. So, while the central brain of the operation, the corporate headquarters, is in Berlin, the actual financial services are spread out, with different parts of the company based in Luxembourg, the Netherlands, and Spain. This distributed model is a hallmark of the modern fintech industry, where physical location is less about a single building and more about a strategic network of regulated entities and tech hubs. It allows them to serve a wide range of customers efficiently and legally, all from the palm of your hand. So, the next time you open your Vivid app, remember that the digital experience you're having is powered by a network of locations across Europe, all working together to bring you a new kind of banking. It's a powerful reminder that even in a digital-first world, a company's physical presence, even if it's not a traditional branch, is still a critical part of its identity and operations. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.